What if there was actually tools that can actually make this process more accessible, more efficient? That tool is called ChatGPT. So in this video, we're going to go over ChatGPT and the process of developing a course with Udemy and ChatGPT. Now, Adrian, what is ChatGPT? Now, that's a language, and it's an actual model that can generate human-like text-based prompts when it's actually given the right information. So it's like your own assistant, and it can literally help you with drafting emails, can be able to help you with even coming up with different concepts, coming up with ideas in your process, and yes, even creating a course online. So if you're actually interested in being an educator or creating a course, we're going to go through the steps on step by step on how you actually create a course on Udemy. So first, you would actually go to the website of udemy.com, udemy.com, their website, and you would sign up to actually become a part of their actual online course. So you want to go to the actual teaching page, because the teaching page will give you options to be able to research topics and explore different platforms for you actually to be able to look at. So for example, as you can see on the screen, photography, travel photography, JavaScript. Now, some wealthy niches to consider when you're actually a business entrepreneur are personal development, IT, software, marketing, health, fitness, wealth development. So plan your course and come up with your course idea. We're going to leverage ChatGPT. And in this workshop, we're going to go through those steps as well. Now, remember, with your course idea, you want to type it in and you want to show value to your actual audience to be able to understand and create the content around that topic. So you go into Udemy and actually have to leverage ChatGPT will be the next step to actually create the script. So in creating the script, you again leverage artificial intelligence tools to ask directly in ChatGPT to help you to create a script. So for example, you would type here, create a script to create a course on personal development.